Hello everyone, welcome to Aurora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this burger pizza. This is really delicious. You should definitely try out this recipe. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First apply some butter on the burgers, then roast them in medium to high flame for a few minutes. And once you see the colors, just remove them to a plate and do the same thing for all the burgers. Add some tomato ketchup or pizza sauce if you have, then spread it well in all the burgers, and mozzarella cheese, then add some onions, some capsicum, and some paneer. You can add veggies of your choice, add oregano on top and some chili flakes on top, and they are ready to be baked. Now put it on the baking tray. So I'll be going to broil them, I'll not bake them. So broil will heat up the top coil in the oven, and it should be enough in 5 minutes. It should be done in 5 minutes, and you should check every 1 minute. Well, it should not get burned. Remove it once you see the cheese has already melted properly. Then just remove it and enjoy the burger pizza. You see, the top part has been cooked really well, and this is really yummy and a very delicious snack.